some of you might find this as a design flaws, including myself. And what is that flaws? Well, it's the on and off switch of the Ketron events. The reason I feel that it is a flaws because it only takes a click to turn it on, which is okay, and it only takes a click to turn it off. So that has a huge potential mishaps during your performance. So I do feel that the on is fine. The off should have been at least 2 to 3 seconds while holding the button and then turning it off. But I think I found a solution to that, and you might find it very useful and cheap to do so. And here's my solution to the on and off switch button. I found this on Amazon. This one calls the light pad switch cover. So this here fits perfectly in the diameter of the switch. So to do so, it's really simple. So you would need to peel out these it looks like a double-sided tape here. So I need to peel this off here and put this over the power switch. So you want to line that perfectly well, like so. Oh, it's not straight, just do it again. There. So this will definitely gives you some peace of mind about a power switch being accidentally turned off by some drunk guy, drunk girl come close to you and accidentally, wondering what that switch is and turn that off. Because it only takes one click to turn it on, one click to turn it off. So this here will solve that problem. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the description for those of you that might be interested in invest in these. These come in a pair. They're $6. So yeah, this will definitely be good for this keyboard. All right. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.